Hey everybody, it's the VIC to the hyphen E, Vic-E, back with another video. And in this video, I'll be talking about 5 ways to manifest your best and create a vision board for 2021. Now, before I get into the video, I'd like to ask you one little favor. Could you please subscribe? Okay, thank you. Now, on to the video. A few years ago, I started a tradition with my cousin to create vision boards. Now, it's a great way to kind of reflect and decide what you want to do for the next year. It's been very symbolic, but it's also been very therapeutic and refreshing. And I know a lot of people can't meet in person this year, but you can create your own vision board at home, and there's 5 different ways you can start. So the first way you can create a vision board is kind of, to me, the traditional way. It's the way that I always create a vision board, and I actually love it, I think, because I'm, hands-on, and as an artist, I kind of get to create my own design. I really get to think about what I want to do, and then I physically can touch it, something that I really like, and I have a tangible product at the end of it. So first off, you need a board. So what I do is I get construction paper, usually like a really big long construction paper from like the 99-cent store, and I fold it in half. Sometimes I change the color and use multiple colors and mix and match it, but I fold it in half, and it's light enough where I could just pin it up or magnet it to somewhere, or actually put it in a frame. Like, I don't want it to be super huge, plus it'll actually take more time to complete it, and you'll have so many ideas, when really it's to narrow down the main themes of what you want to do in the next year. It's not about having a million ideas. It's really about narrowing themes in my mind. So I take a board, right? So this is a pink piece of construction paper that I have to create a vision board. Then you need a magazine. So you can collect magazines throughout the year, you can collect newspaper articles, or you can print stuff from offline. Like, it's that easy. Whatever works for you best. You need glue and scissors, and then you cut out the pieces for the magazine. And whatever works best for you, then you collect those pieces and you glue it down. So this is one of my vision boards past from 2019. I really love to put something about God, like trying to build more of a relationship with God. I really love to work on entrepreneurial things. So here is a piece, I think from Forbes. It was like a leaflet that was cut. It's How to Succeed in 2019. I love to put the year because then I can kind of chronicle it. And then I used actually some gold glue, like a gold glitter glue. And I went around some of the words that I thought would be fun to go around. Go bold, the year of letting go, a unicorn, just, things that were special, believe, dedicate, shine bright. And this is one of the times where I did half a blue and half a pink construction board paper. And then I take this and I kind of pin it to the wall so I can look at it every morning when I wake up. So it's a constant reminder. I don't have to read it every day. Some days I do wake up and I just look at it. But there's other days that I just kind of like veer past it. But it reminds me, like, these are the things that I want. And I love to be able to look at it at the end of the year when I'm creating a new one and see what I really accomplished. Nothing is really specific. Everything is kind of generic. But it all tells a story. So that's the first way to create a vision board. To me, this is the old-fashioned way, we'll call it. Option number 2 is Pinterest. Now, you can actually create a board, public or private. Name it whatever you want or whatever holds true to you. Vision board 2021, or if you're doing this in the future, let's say 2025. Who knows? But you can take different images from off the site, create your own images and upload, and then have a vision board that really speaks to you without all the muss and fuss of cutting and gluing down things. Number 3 is an app specifically made for vision boards. It's called Visu-App. Now, Visu-App is available for Apple and Android phones or devices, and you can download the app and then create, similar to Pinterest, boards with ideas. They have tons of ideas and pictures already up there for you to use, but you could also use your own images if you have images that you want to use as well. Another cool feature is that you could actually create reminders. So say you want to create reminders to instill some of the ideas that you've created on your vision board and to kind of encourage it. Say one of your goals is to do yoga. Every morning you can put a reminder for 9 a.m. yoga, which is really cool. So it gives you kind of an interactive quality and also keeps you accountable throughout the year. And then you can revisit it at the end of the year and see what you're up to, or even keep progress of what your goals are and what you're attaining with the reminders. Number 4 is purchasing a vision board kit. With a vision board kit, you can easily decorate and design everything because it all comes in one box. You can find a whole bunch of different sites online, or you could just go on Amazon and easily find it. So you don't have to put in the work. But these boxes are a little bit more costly. So if you want to save a few coins, maybe doing the traditional way or finding the app might be a better option for you. Option number 5 is Canva. Canva is a free design platform. They have tons of different templates that you can use to start. You can use their presentations to actually start, or maybe even a flyer, depending on the design that you like. Now, there are some limitations for the free version, but it's a starting point, and you may not want to download anything, or maybe you don't want to have to glue and cut, or you just don't have the coins to pay for a kit. This can be a great option for you because it's all there. You get to be more creative and kind of design a layout that maybe is more appealing to your eye than Pinterest. Then Canva is the option for you. So now you have all the tools to create the perfect vision board. Which one are you going to use? You know what? Doesn't really matter. As long as you create something to really inspire you and motivate you throughout the year. Best of luck.